Hi, I'm Sean.
And I'm Prisna.
And we're here to show you how to assemble and customize your Flowtoys.
Most of our Flowtoys are made from the parts of our modular system, which are all interchangeable and require some assembly.
Also, because many of us use our Flowtoys very actively, the parts may wear down, crack, or fray with use. It's very important to always check that all your parts are in good shape and securely connected before use.
We offer all our parts individually and offer a lifetime warranty so that your Flowtoys can always be in great shape. Our goal is to keep you in flow, so if any part of your Flowtoys are not working out for you, please contact us.
Now let's take a look at how everything goes together. Prisna, will you do the close-ups?
Absolutely.
All right. The head of the flowlight can connect to the tail of another flowlight, so they will stay together inside our tubes. Start at a sideways angle, so that one side hooks in first, and then the other. Don't worry if it sounds like it's cracking a little bit, that's normal. It should be able to pivot vertically, like this. To detach them, push them sideways, the reverse of how you connected them, like this. Do not detach the lights in the direction of the pivot, as this may split the shell a little bit, which will loosen the connection. It is normal for the connection to loosen a little over time. There is a soft bumper inside our caps that cushions and connects to the flowlights. Simply push the narrow head of the flowlight between the teeth of the bumper. The flowlight should hang freely and pull all linked lights out of a tube when you remove the cap. There are two holes in each end of the flow tube, and two bumps inside each cap that snap into these holes. To attach a cap, push it firmly onto the tube and twist until the buttons click into the holes. It is important that the buttons are properly engaged, so that the cap is securely attached and so that it does not stretch out and loosen over time. To remove the cap, twist to release the buttons and pull. Twisting while pulling can make this step easier. There is a rigid staff connector with buttons that go into the same holes as the caps. Insert the staff connector into a tube and twist until the buttons click into the holes securely. Do the same thing to another tube to connect them. To disconnect them, twist the tubes in opposite directions to disengage the buttons from the holes, and then pull the tubes apart. The buttons are slightly sloped in one direction, and twisting one way releases one side, twisting the other releases the other side. When removing the connector from a tube, try not to twist it the wrong way, as this can weaken the part. It is easier to feel the correct way to twist than to see it. If your tube is very snug, you may need to twist the connector firmly back and forth until the correct side pops out. Our poi converter is basically a short flow leash and a bridge cap that enables you to quickly turn the end of a collapsible staff or club into club poi. Simply remove the staff connector and snap on the poi converter. Simple as that. We recommend a single loop handle for a secure, versatile, and comfortable grip. There are many great ways to use a single loop handle. We encourage you to experiment with a variety of ways to find the right grip for you. There's another video on our website explaining the various single loop handle grips in detail. My personal favorite is the outside finger hitch grip, placed near the ends of my fingers.